right, so we are on the Service Cloud module. Let's talk about customer service. We are going to dive right into the Service Console app and start from there. Please do read this foundational text so you can better understand what is Service Cloud. In a short phrase, it's an app within Salesforce to provide excellent customer service. So when you have a customer come in through the phone, through the web, through email, social media, any channel, you can service them efficiently, meaning provide an excellent and efficient service to the customer without wasting your time and their valuable time. So let's go dive right into the Service Console, this part here. So I'm going to drag this into my other monitor, and then we are going to see on the Trailhead Playground. All right. So before we start discussing, let's launch the Service Console. So if you click on this app launcher, and then we have, you can type console here, console. So Service Console, open that up. So here is your Service Console. I'm going to change this from recently viewed to all, maybe all open cases. Let's see that. Okay, we just have 3 of them, right? So let's split the view. This is just the open cases, right? So if I click one case over here, there. Now you can see the split view. We have the list of open cases, which you can change to like just your cases, or however you want to filter this, recently viewed cases, or you can create a new filter altogether, new filter here. All right. So let's just focus on my cases. You can flip between cases by choosing this. So this is just this is all cases. See, this is closed already, closed. Well, you don't want to work on closed cases. You can choose my open cases there. Just 3. Say you are starting your day in the morning, or you have 3 open cases. You can start from the top here, and you have the case details here, the contact details here, the case for parent contact, or parent what this? Yeah, for parent contact. And then the case record itself, the feed, the details of the case. You can scroll here, and let me change the view here so it fits on the screen, actual size, there. And then you have the related list of this case. So I'm going to close that. So on here, we discuss about the list over here. And then number 2 is the related record and related list components. This is the case details, contact details, case for parent contact, as you can see there. And then number 3 is the highlights panel component. So this is the highlights here, right? So you can see the case, this is the title, and then you can do actions here. You can delete, change owner, clone the case, and you can modify this, customize this. So we're not gonna discuss about the nitty-gritty, the details about everything you can do. Just basically highlight overview of the Service Console itself. All right, so here if you go back to feed, you can post feed, and you can do some polls and things like that, and you can see the updates here, right? Status changes. So basically in one console, you can work efficiently. So for example, even if I click on the case detail here. So the contact is Stelia Pavlova, right? I'm going to click on here. So it's going to pop the contact details under the case tab there, right? So now you can navigate between the case and the contact, and then you can see, ooh, what do you need? What kind of information you need from the related records of the case? You can see it from this tab over there, and you can do other stuff just like you're doing on the regular contact record page. All right. So also number 5, you have the related records, the related list over here. And finally, the utility bar here at the bottom. You can also customize your utility bar and add more stuff here. Right now you have history, and then you can clear your history like that. So that's basically the general overview of the Service Console. With this, you can better service your customer, right? Whatever information you need to efficiently service your customer is all in one place. It's not popping up on new tabs or new windows. Is organized here. So this is the contact, for example. And if I click on the account here, it's going to pop up a new tab still under the main case, right? That's cool, right? So for example, I want to check on this case. See, this is the second case. But if I click on here, all my related tab is already open over here. This is my second case. So I want to open GeoPoint over there, or GenePoint, the account. For this case, you can gather what information you need, maybe create a new opportunity from here. If you want, why not? Right? You can make a new opportunity. So all within one workspace over here. Pretty cool, right? So let's go back to our tray. I'm going to snap this back. Boom. So we've discussed about the Service Console. So let's go ahead and try create a new case. So we are going to create a new case. We've switched to Lightning Experience there. New case, and then we're going to search for John Amos for an existing contact. So click over here. I am going to make a new case. I can create it from here. New. All right. Now, John Amos, was it? John, or who was it? Who was it? Oh, John, Jon, not with the H. John Amos. Well, we don't have a John Amos. We can create a new contact here. Do we want to do that? Okay, new contact and add John Amos and click save. We don't have it. I'm just going to try to follow and stick with the trail example there. So I don't have John Amos. We are going to create it. Which account is John Amos for? Well, we can just make a new account. I'm just going to copy the subject here. So I'm just going to choose, we don't even have to populate the account. This is just an example, so I'm going to save John Amos here. And then the case subject is, where's the case subject? Case subject here. Because I'm used to my own organization's case layout. This is a Trailhead Playground case layout. I'm not used to it. Okay. So description is this one. Let's copy this guy. This would be this description and hit save. So, oops, case origin, let's say it's from email. There we have it. So a new case is created, right? And then you can attach things. You can assign an account to this. It's already created one here, Amos household. Basically, you can proceed with what you need to begin and solve the case there. So let's move on. Now, we can update this case by clicking on there. You can also add your own comment to the case feed. Do we need to post something? Well, let's do an example. So this is the feed, right? And I'm going to post an update. I just created this sample case for Trailhead. Boom. So you share that. So everybody who's viewing this case can see what you share. You can also share with a particular person, right? Well, we don't have anybody because this is a Trailhead playground. We don't have anybody to add to. So if you can do add mention, it's gonna post a chatter feed to that person. Okay, that's basically it. That's an initial general overview of the service console. Pretty neat. Okay. Oops, I almost go back there. Let's do the quiz. What is the Service Cloud? An easy to use customer service application. Yeah, that's the one. Number 2. What are key benefits of the Lightning Service Console? The key benefits. Pre-configured service list, feeds and articles, out-of-the-box support and customer history, pre-configured pages, and productivity tools for service. Yes, I like that one. To update a customer case with a comment, we just did that. Select a case from the Cases tab and share a post. That's it. Let's do the quiz and finish the points, get the points, and I'll see you on the next one, which is Administer Service Clouds. Bada bing, bada boom. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.